students going to come from? Right here. You know, they're going to be your clients, and they're going to be coming to us. And we'll pick them up other places too, but those people that we inspire with our touch are the ones, you know, with the story, are the ones that are going to be the future practitioners, or the future practitioners. And so what I wanted to do, I have one more thing to talk about, but I want to read our vision statement, which I think is really cool, just to let you know what we're thinking. AGSI is a nonprofit education program that seeks to help you step into your future as a Rolf method of structural integration practitioner. We believe that this path is available to anyone who feels called in this direction, and it is our role to support you to reach your full potential. We do this by having the most experienced teachers, by having a deep conviction in the process of structural integration, and by maintaining the integrity of an encouraging learning environment. We are an organization with deep roots, expertise, and creativity, which allows us to provide you a powerful and authentic educational experience. You know, and that's what we really